Tara guys. Duty. Ayan. Daily routine tayo sa aking trabaho. Nag-seal yung cookies, oh. Mag-ano ako mag-andam ko, yung mga dito ako lulusot sa supermarket. Pag napasok ko sa aking trabaho. Ay, yung favorite kong dito na naman siya, yung favorite kong yogurt. Kasi kailangan ko na naman mag-diet. Buti na lang kalamig yata eh. Kala ko rayuma na, hindi pala. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ng araw dito. Haba ng hair ko. Ayoko kasi ng short hair. I don't like short hair. Like ko yung long hair. Girl na girl. Ayan. Lamig kasi eh. Buti na yung araw today is not too much cold. Like the weather is okay. When we cross the road, because so many motorcycle like this. Okay, we need to cross now. Marapit nang matapos yung trabaho ko na nag-general cleaning kasi ako before Chinese New Year. We need to general cleaning before Chinese New Year so that all the dirty will remove, or yung mga bad luck will remove. Bad luck from the past year will be going to remove, and welcome to good luck. Kasi marami kasi kailangan mag-mask. Mas maganda rin yung mag-mask kasi hindi mo malalanghap yung mga alikabok. So, okay. So, good night, good morning. Here I am. Nago na ng hair ko. Pang-take yung suot ko. So, ayan tayo. So, ito yung early daily routine. Walking. Just walking distance. It's about 15 minutes. I walk 15 minutes to work and then go home also. 15 minutes. Or maybe when I back to home I walk 20 minutes. You know why? Hold it standing and of course tired walking. And also going upstairs from first floor or ground floor to 6th floor. Very tiring. So, ito yung bus station to bus stop going to airport. Okay? So, good morning. Ito po ang inyong lingkod. Natawag ako ng mga friend ko na Rose or Rosie. O, ayan. Tapos, I wish na yung iba friend forever. Pero yung iba, mayaman na kasi yung iba, kaya mahihiya tayong lumapit. Kahit magkamag-anak natin, nahihiya na tayong lumapit. Kasi mga mayaman na sila eh. So tayo, still, as usual. Kung ano tayo noon, ganun pa rin ngayon. Walang magbabago. Never change. Because if you change what you have, it's all useless. You know guys, if I see the beautiful houses, and then I compare to what happening in Los Angeles, they are like paradise. But when God send them fire, all are become us. So this is what I have seen. All your wealth are useless. So love is the most important. So dito na ako sa building. Done. Ayan. Ito tayo ng 24th floor. Yung sombrero ko ibigay ni boss. Ayan.